All right, good day, everyone. This is Will with White Spruce Tech, looking at another, hopefully, quick and dirty RV mod here. The issue is, in every mechanical drawing I've seen of the Thor Axis series RVs, they've got this efficiently designed small bathroom, and in the drawing, every single one of them has the toilet set slightly at an angle to match this radius here on the surface here. Unfortunately, everyone I've ever seen installed photographs of and ones I've been in, it's 90 degrees. So you're right up against this wall, and it's just like, wow, you know, like 12 degrees of rotation here is going to make a big difference. So I've just loosened up the two bolts, or two nuts here on this closet fitting. Looks like a pretty standard closet fitting. And undid the line in the back. I haven't taken on any water for the year yet, so I thought, boy, this would be a great thing. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this right off, and there's two sets of notches, right? There are these standard ones here, and then there are these, and whenever you install a toilet, you always install them so that these are where the stool goes, because, see, they've got that long, elongated slot, and that gives you some slop. So I'm like, wow, I'm going to open this up. The people that installed it are going to do it right, and I'm just going to say, wow, I've got enough room to rotate that a little bit, tighten the bolts down, and I'm done. Nope. So, since I've gone this far, I'm going to loosen up these installation screws here, of which 2, 4, there's 6 of them. So apparently they really want this closet fixture to stay in place. I don't think anything bad is going to happen if I loosen this up, and maybe it will rotate, maybe it's glued in place. But if you were ever contemplating doing this yourself, we're about to find out. Stay tuned. All right, where my quick investigation is over here, I've pulled these 6 bolts, these 6 incredibly, I don't know what those are, like 2 by 12 inch, I don't know, or 2 by number 12s, or maybe they're 1/4 inch. Nonetheless, if you're ever concerned that closet fitting is going to go anywhere on you, don't be. It's down securely. Although one of them was in this hole right here. Completely missed the wood, so it's okay. That's what the other 5 were there for. Not to get off subject here, I took these guys off and tried to, yeah, this isn't rotating at all. I'm certain it's glued together and right into the black tank, and I'm not. I was hoping maybe there was a screw fitting in there or something, and I would just be able to get that 5 or 8 degrees of rotation that I was looking for. But in any case, I was unsuccessful here, but hopefully that saved you if you were curious. And the same thing, what the state of this closet fitting is, and it's a bigger job if you wanted to get that little rotation of your toilet. So this is Will from White Spruce Tech. I hope I saved you some time. If you did think so, go on and hit that like button. It helps my channel continue to produce quality information tech videos for you. Thanks for watching.